The Miracle Roots Red Alingatong nasa capsule na. Hatid ng GreenMed Pharma. Red Alingatong capsule is now FDA approved.
Matamlay na ba ang sex life? Stress? Pagod at problemado? Wala na bang ibubuga pagdating sa kama? Red Alingatong! Red Alingatong! Para baliksigla ang buhay may asawa. Nakakatulong din sa menstrual problems, internal bleeding, prostate enlargement, sexual performance enhancement. Nakaka-regulate din ng menstrual cycle.
Red Alingatong capsule. Mabibili na sa mga butika. The Miracle Roots Red Alingatong capsule. FDA approved.
Red Alingatong capsule now available in the Subic Bay, Freeport, Bataan, Olongapo, Zambales areas. Available nationwide. Available at leading drugstores nationwide. And sa Red Alingatong capsule, gagaling ka dito.
Greetings. This is Kevin Gregg from Mississippi in the United States of America. You are tuned into DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
Coffee? Check. Shower? Check. The best morning show on the radio? Check. Start your mornings right.
Right here on 89.5 FM.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. All right. And hey, join us July 20, 2024, this coming Saturday from 9 a.m. until 11:30 a.m. at the vacant lot beside the Old PX Club for Recyclables Collection. Ayun, meron tayo uling Recyclables Collection. There will be another edition of the Recyclables Collection in partnership with Fuji Trading and Tetra Pak Philippines. All right. So calling all Subic Bay friends, everybody from the Subic Bay Freeport. All right? So QB yung destination this time, all right? See you at the QB area. The former PX Club, I think Toy Kingdom dati yun no? Yung PX Club dyan sa QB. So bring your used beverage cartons. Yan yung mga pwedeng dalhin. All right? That can be recycled. Other recyclable materials as well. Don't forget to clean and dry them before putting it in the recycling bins. Lalong-lalo na yung mga, di ba, yung mga plastic containers, cans, bottles, minsan wet yan, no? Be sure they're dry, okay? So let's segregate our waste for a zero waste and carbon neutral Freeport. Don't forget, July 20, 2024 Saturday is Recycling Day in QB. But I think everybody can come. Even though if you're not from QB, if you want to bring in your recyclables, yes, feel free to do so. All right? What to bring? Ito, to be exact. Recyclable waste like used beverage cartons, UBC, PET bottles, glass bottles, papers, sachets, yung mga plastic sachets, and some are lined with aluminum foil, right? The sachets. Online shopping packaging. Nowadays, ang dami niyan, ano? Ang dami nyo niyan. Maraming online packaging materials ngayon, okay? In yung mga online shopping eh. Single-use plastics. Yan. Aluminum cans. Alright? And sa mga residual waste naman, pwede rin ang used clothing, used shoes, used rubber slippers, used tarpaulins. Okay? Yan yung mga residual waste na pwede nyong dalhin. Okay? Strictly no food waste and no mixed waste. Hindi pwede yung pinaghalo-halo, ha? Kasi nga inaayos nga natin, nire-recycle nga natin na maayos, segregation di ba? Tapos kayo naman paghahalo-haluin nyo. Okay? So no mixed waste. No food waste din. Yung kung may pagkain, ubusin niyo na lang. Oo, 'di ba? Naalala ko yung laging sinasabi ng lola ko, Tommy, ubusin mo yung pagkain na 'yan. Somewhere around the world may merong hindi makakain, walang makain, tapos ikaw sasayangin mo. 'Di ba? Tapos bigla akong kakabahan dahil matagal nang wala yung lola ko eh. Tapos may maririnig akong ganun. Apa! Ipasyal mo ako, apo. So yeah, what I'm trying to say is you're all invited to the recycling event that will be happening in QB this coming Saturday, July 20, 2024. 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Punta na lang po kayo, kita-kits na lang doon, okay? The former PX Club store there. Dating Toy Kingdom. Na-assign ako saglit dyan eh. I used to work for PX Club. Sa main store ako, pero there was a couple of times lang na na-assign tayo saglit dyan. I miss those days. Okay, so kita-kits po, Recycling Day in QB this Saturday na July 20. Alright? And a couple more invites here coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay, check out the back to school offers of the SM Store. Okay, ayan. So for the or they call it BTS, no? BTS. BTS actually stands for back to school. Ayan, okay? So yun yung ibig sabihin nun. The BTS back to school. Featuring discounts for shoes like Sugar Kids, tsaka Tough Kids. Ayan, pang back to school talaga ng mga chikiting. Diba? They'll be needing those shoes. School shoes, that is. Alright, so check out the SM Store. The department store is what we mean by SM Store. Okay? Sugar Kids and Tough Kids. Okay? And also the Smack Bonanza for the month of July. Until July 31, 2024, up to 50% off on SM appliances. Okay? So kung may plano kayong bumili ng any kind of appliances, use your Smack cards. SM Advantage cards. Bonanza. Up until July 31, up to 50% off. And Our Home is having a special sale on their Emily 3-seater sofa and the other sofas as well. Less 10,000 pesos this July. So visit Our Home now, located at the third level of SM City Olongapo Central. Our Home. And Guess is having the special sale July 10 to July 31, 2024. Buy 2, get additional 5% off. Buy 3, get additional 10% off. Buy 4, get additional 15% off on all markdown items. Okay? So visit the Guess store at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. Okay? Also, the Shop and Share for Education brought to you by the SM Store. Okay? Sponsor a kid's school kit for only 100 pesos. This is from July 1 to 31. So don't miss the chance to sponsor a kid, all right, via the SM Store's Shop and Share for Education. Okay, that's extra awesome, huh? If you're gonna do that. And check out the career sale, up to 50% off on selected items up until July 31. Also at the SM Store, okay? Your everyday store career sale, career clothes, mga pang-office, no? Pang-formal. For women and men, career sale nga eh. Okay? And Baby Bene Summer Cake is available today at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. So check it out. Visit the try out the Baby Bene cake, special cake. All right? Nasa baba lang at the ground level lang ng SM Central, okay? And SM Store Olongapo Central features every coffee every day hanggang August 15, I mean, okay? Using your Smack card, Smack Advantage card, just present it, you will be able to upsize your drink, okay? Free drink upsize at the CBTL inside the SM Store second level. Every coffee every day until August 15. Also, do check out the Great Downtown Sale. Uy, malapit na, ha? This coming Friday, July 19, 20, and 21, up to 70% off on selected items. Only at SM City Olongapo Downtown, of course. That's why we call it the Great Downtown Sale. Okay, so those are the invites for you. Do check it out from our friends at SM Central and SM Downtown. SM City Olongapo. Okay, and some more cool songs for you. Music coming from Matchbox 20 this time. This one's called Push. 895 Subic Bay Radio.